Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to give you a walkthrough about the Quicken Classic Business and Personal Plan. Okay, so before that, of course, the first thing that you are going to do is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Quicken. Okay, and then we have the first website. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this one. Okay, and you would be directed to this page. Now right here, just have to go to our products option at the top left and then go to the classic desktop or see all the classic products. Okay, and then I just have to scroll down all the way here and we will be able to see the classic business and personal. But since we cannot really access the actual tool because this costs too much, okay, but still I'm going to give you the full idea if you are planning to get this plan for your business. Okay, so it is crystal clear money management for business, personal, and rental finances. So the key features of the classic business and personal: first is you can view the business, personal, and the rental cash flows separately and in real time. So see the projections so you can make informed choices. Second, create and track branded invoices with billable hours, expenses, and receipts. Third, the only desktop solution for managing all your finances all in one place. Fourth, make informed decisions with reports for profit and loss, tax schedules, spending, and investment. Fifth, we have track every business and personal transactions so you are ready at tax time and run built-in reports for schedules A to E. And lastly, custom tools for managing rental properties. So it is perfect for small business owners and people managing rental properties. So as you can see right here, $9.99 per month and it is 16% off. But you have to take note that this one is billed annually. Okay, so tap on the explore features after that. Okay, so right here, let's just scroll down. That's right. Okay, so here it is one clear view so you can organize a business and personal finances, create a full picture of your financial life. Next is self-employment ready. So exact tools you need to measure self-employment success without the confusing extras you don't, and optimize for taxes. So maximize your deductions, save time, and export data, access built-in Schedule C and e-tax reports, and of course, keep the cash flow on track, track business and personal income, send invoices, write checks, and keep track of overall cash flows. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can empower your finances with the insights and the expense tracking. So first, from property management to mileage expenses, Quicken Classic Business and Personal equips you with a wide array of tools to keep track of all taxes and expenditures your business incurs. So first, you have the property management made simple. Okay, so you can track the income and the expenses by property, seamlessly organize your tenant documents, and simplify your tax reporting from one desktop platform. Next one, you can get paid faster. So you can create custom invoices and get paid faster by enabling PayPal links, track the status to ensure on-time payments. Next one is generate business and tax reports. So you can get a bird's eye view of your finances with fully customizable reports and dashboards, track expenses, invoices, savings, and so much more. And of course, capture your business and your personal mileage on the go. So the Quicken will seamlessly keep track and automatically build a dashboard for the tax deduction reporting. Okay, so you have the sample right here, and you can set the personal finances up for success. So with the award-winning Classic Premier built in, you can budget based on spending goals, access investing tools, and keep track of your net worth all on one platform. Okay, so let me just go back here. So again, when you tap on the Get Started option, you'll be directed to the page where we have to pay for the subscription. So again, separately manage all finances from one location for the classic business and personal. Simplify your tax prep and maximize the deduction. Keep the financial documents organized with ease. Manage the P&L, cash flow, and tax schedules, and more. So let's tap on the Get Started option. Okay, and you will be directed to this section. And as you can see, since the amount for each month is $9.99, so currently it has a 16% off. So the current annual price is $143.88, and the discount is $24.03. So the total that you are going to pay if you're going to subscribe today, then it's just about $119.85 plus the applicable taxes. Okay, so if you are ready to subscribe for this plan, then you just have to go here. How would you like to pay? You have a choice to pay using credit or debit card or PayPal. Okay, so you just have to put here your card number, the expiration date, the CVV, the name of the card, and your zip code. Then after that, you just have to confirm your order. So basically, if you are an individual who wants a simple, modern way to manage everyday finances without dealing with the overly complex accounting system, this are the typically users to prioritize budgeting, expenses tracking, and financial awareness rather than advanced investment or business reporting. So this platform is again designed to give a clear overview of income, bills, and spending in one place, making it ideal for people like you um, who want to stay organized and make better day-to-day financial decisions. Okay, so for example, if you are a working adults and young professionals, often in 30 to 50s, who are entering important financial life stages such as paying off your debt, building savings, starting a family, or planning for future goals. So the benefit from simplifies automated spending plans, alerts, and projections, which help you manage cash flow and stay on track with the financial goals without needing help financial expertise. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.